Open up. I wanted to do this before we had our bath.
Hey, Claire. So yeah, because I'm going to get a little dirty. I'm going to get a little dirty. Is it yummy?
Not too yummy.
It's messy. It's messy stuff.
See, I got to learn how to use a spoon.
What do you think?
Want a bite?
Claire, you're such a big girl.
Here, open your mouth. That's a girl.
Yum. Yeah.
She spits it out. She don't like it.
You don't like it? You don't like it?
Here we go. Here we go. Like your hand better? Yeah. Like my hand better. See, when do we get the peaches?
Yeah, so that's the good stuff.
That's what I want, the peaches.
Mm-hmm.
See, now I get to, when y'all eat, I get to eat. Yeah, see, it take me a little bit of time to learn what to do with that spoon.
You're doing really good.
When are we gonna get that all cerealed?
Yum.
Here we go. What you think? Huh? What you think about that? Here we go. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Oh, that was a good bite. Yeah, that was a good bite. Mmm, yummy. Oh, bless you.
Bless you. Scott the hero sneezes. Tutu's been sneezing all day today.